Calgary's real estate market bounced back in 2025, or are we heading for a major shift? Inventory is up 45%, prices are stabilizing, and buyers are finally starting to gain some leverage. What does this actually mean for you? Let's break down the numbers, connect the dots to the bigger picture, and see what it means for your next big move. All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about 4 topics. We're going to go over the market, property segments, trends and real world factors. I'll give you some actionable insights. So let's start with the big picture. November saw 1,797 sales, which is slightly up from last year and still 20% above long-term trends. Active listings shot up by 45% year over year to 4,352 units, which gives buyers more options, but still leaving inventory below the historical average. Prices are holding steady with the benchmark price sitting at 587,900, which is up 3.5% from last year. However, these unadjusted prices are trending down in line with typical seasonal patterns. So what's really happening is the market is slowing down as we head into winter, but there's still plenty of activity, especially in specific property types. For example, detached homes still continue to dominate. Sales are up 6% to 865 units, and the benchmark price is 750,100, which is a 7.25% increase from last year. Inventory is higher, but the homes under 700K are still moving fast, while higher priced properties are cooling down. And we have semi-detached homes. These are the middle ground for buyers. Sales rose 24% to 173 units with a benchmark price of 675,100, which is up 8%. And so inventory increased, but demand is keeping the months of supply balanced. Then we have townhouses, which seem to be the sweet spot. Sales also jumped up 24% to 330 units. And the benchmark price is 454,300, which is up 6.6%. So inventory remains tight, which keeps this a seller's market. And then we have condos, which are still the weakest segment. Sales fell 24% though the benchmark price rose 8.9% to 337,800. So inventory climbed to 1,482 units, which pushes the months of supply to 3.45. So this segment is definitely starting to favor buyers. All right, so now let's connect the market to the bigger picture. There are a few key factors that will most likely affect the overall economy and the housing market here in Calgary. And those are the interest rates, which are actually cooling down and keeping the market balanced. And then we have the oil production. If the Keystone XL pipeline actually gets approved and the controversy around it just kind of goes down, or they actually come to a decision for that, well, that's going to allow us to export oil to other players in the world. And so that's huge. And then the federal elections. I mean, Trump is just a big troll, and he wants to make Canada the 51st state, which is not going to happen. But the 25% tariffs, if they don't come to some type of resolution, that is most likely going to stay, but we don't know. Maybe he's just talking smack. What should you do in today's market? Well, for buyers, take your time, but don't wait too long. I mean, more inventory means better options and you have room to negotiate. But if you're looking at popular price points like townhouses or entry-level detached, act quickly because competition is still strong in these areas. And for sellers, price strategically. Buyers are more cautious. Homes that are overpriced are sitting longer. Just make sure to highlight your unique selling position, your USP. And also, my name is Hassan Sharif. I am a licensed realtor with eXp Realty in Alberta and Saskatchewan. I am supporting Saskatoon City and Calgary City specifically. And if you ever wanted to meet up, have a coffee, and just, get more information and start on this exciting journey, hit me up.